Have you ever wondered how Oreo biscuits are made? The journey begins at a modern high-tech manufacturing facility where quality and precision are everything. Carefully selected ingredients, fine wheat flour, rich cocoa powder, sugar, and vegetable oil, arrive in bulk and undergo strict quality testing to ensure they meet exact standards. Once approved, the ingredients are automatically measured and poured into massive stainless steel industrial mixers. Inside these powerful machines, everything blends together to form a smooth, dark chocolate dough with the perfect texture. The dough is then transferred onto conveyor belts and rolled into thin, even sheets. Precision cutting machines stamp out the iconic round shape, embossing each biscuit with its signature pattern. Next comes baking. The cookies travel through long tunnel ovens at carefully controlled temperatures. In just minutes, the dough transforms into crisp chocolate-flavored biscuits. After baking, the cookies move along cooling conveyors to reach the ideal temperature for filling. Meanwhile, the famous white cream filling is prepared in separate mixers. It's whipped until light, smooth, and perfectly fluffy. Automated nozzles carefully deposit a precise layer of cream onto one biscuit, and another biscuit is gently placed on top, forming the classic sandwich. High-speed cameras inspect each cookie for quality, checking size, alignment, and cream distribution. Finally, the finished Oreos are sealed in protective packaging, packed into boxes, and prepared for shipment around the world. From raw ingredients to the perfect chocolate sandwich biscuit, every step is engineered for consistency, quality, and that unmistakable taste. And that's how Oreos are made.